Hey guys, it's clear to you guys that I am sleeping on a pillow. I'm kind of getting sick. Okay, that's pretty bad because I'm gonna go on the camping trip. Just need some light. Alright, that doesn't help. But yeah, I'm going on the camping trip, so I definitely do not want to be sick. And yeah, so anyways, thank you for my water, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.
Hold this now.
I can't. I packed a little, and oh my God, Chris, I'm gonna drop it. Chris, I can't. Hold it. Make sure you don't drop it, seriously. Don't put it on my neck. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow because I will show you guys what I packed and stuff. So, good night. Again, I am packing. As you may know, I am going to be going on a camping trip for 5 days, as I did freshman year. This luggage actually has came a long way because I used this for my last packing trip, and so much more. So I absolutely love it. I've been told it looks like Gucci, but it's not real, obviously. Okay, so this compartment, I'm actually not fully done yet, but this is just what I have so far, because tomorrow I'm going to go to Target to buy more supplies, like mini deodorant and stuff, so I'll show you guys that tomorrow. So in this small compartment, I just have usual, kind of like bug spray, because I will definitely need this since I'm in the woods. Having a mini pink spray because, I don't know. And a deodorant for now because I don't know if I'm going to find a mini deodorant tomorrow. Alright, and then in here I don't have anything yet. And then in here I just have this Ziploc bag with my toothpaste and toothbrush. And I'm actually going to put my face towel in here, so this is why it's kind of wet right now. Alright, inside I just have socks because this is what I need to sleep in, because they will actually provide you socks and some clothes and whatever. I just have a bra, some gloves, underwear, another bra over here, and then this makeup bag. I actually have my camera in here for now, but I will definitely put some other stuff and find another storage for my camera. I just have some long sleeves because I know it's gonna definitely be really cold there. That's why I have two and a green one down there. I have a sweatpants because the other one I'm actually gonna wear on the coach bus anyway, so I don't need to carry too much. I have my Nautica fleece, which kind of looks like this because they actually recommended it. So it's gray. Just has the little banana looking thing, that's what I call it. Yeah, this is just what it looks like. Have a blanket in here, and that's pretty much what I have in right now. It's not really exciting, so I'll definitely vlog when I'm in Target because my other two friends are actually gonna go too. So yeah.
Well, it's hard.
Hey guys,
We're in the city
of Shambalamba.
not of Florida.
Why do you say that? Oh, they know we live in New York already.
It's
Yeah, we're
sauna in here.
We're in Soho, and we're just going to go to Bloomingdale's because I have to return my Rebecca Minkoff bag because I ordered another one online. So yeah. What's wrong with my camera?
Time to hang with all my friends. We like to be together in a place where we belong. I'm 16, starting to find my way. Got a new job, gonna start at the mall today. Thank God I'm on my own for the first time. I'm 16, life is sweet when you're growing up so fast. You gotta make the good times last.
We're actually having a hurricane, as you may not know. It's Hurricane Sandy. Yeah, hold on, I'm recording. And I just wanted to show you guys, like, the outside. It's, like, blue, and it's only 6 o'clock. I mean, 6 o'clock usually gets dark anyways. But the wind is, like, crazy. And look how much, like, window I have opened. A little bit, but not too much. Anyways, yeah, I only have, like, 18%, so hopefully my light doesn't turn off or go out. Did everybody's light go off? Look at all those windows. I don't know.
Get your candles out, man.
But yeah, yeah, I'm gonna start.
Oh my god, our whole neighborhood is flooded.
I know.
Can you put the flash on?
Oh, I don't know how to do that. But yeah.
Look,
okay.
Taking a video. Oh. This is crazy, right? What?
Move! Ew, Timothy, move!
That's what you guys are doing.
You better not be putting that on YouTube.
I'm putting this on YouTube.
Yo, shit, yo. I'm gonna keep everything I see, yo. Oh!
I know, right? Take a video of this. Wow,好得死啊！嗰邊啊！頭先你有冇見到人哋撞真佢哋車啊？
Get off my property!
It's crazy! Look at the tree over there. Move, Carrie! Crazy, Timothy. This is crazy, right, Timothy? Say something.
Okay, Destiny is gone! Where's your phone?
This is crazy. You see the tree over there?
啲啊，鬼佬